Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you one of my favorite dips recipe, Baba Ganoush. Baba Ganoush is similar to hummus, but it calls for grilled or roasted aubergine instead of chickpeas. I usually burn my aubergine straight on the burner, but that can get messy, which is a bit extra cleaning at the end. But you can put them on a griddle, also known as tawa, which will do the same job but with some spare time. But one of the easiest ways to do it is making holes and stick it into the hot oven. You can keep the grill on too to fasten the process. No matter what method you're cooking your aubergine, cook evenly every side. Once the aubergine is ready, it will have crispy skin and cook through the center. A lot of moisture will come out, which is good as we want them to have no extra water in them. At this stage, I usually put them in a bowl and cover with cling film. That will make the peeling a lot easier. After 15 minutes, are nicely cooled down and the skin is coming out with a little pinch. Probably this is the hardest part of making Baba Ganoush. So once this is done, it's a joy. Now simply chop some garlic, parsley and mint. If you like herbs, use a lot, as it will just enhance the flavor. Then take all the aubergine on the same chopping board with the garlic and herbs and chop them to paste. I find chopping it very satisfying and more natural than making a mash. But it's up to you. You can mash them or chop them. Make sure to season to taste. I'm also adding some tahini and lemon juice to add extra flavor and texture. Then give it a final mix and it's ready. Now serve it in a bowl and decorate it how you like. I usually add more olive oil, herbs, lemon zest, and a sprinkle of smoked paprika, which takes the flavor to the next level. Now it's your time to make this tasty Baba Ganoush dip and let me know how was it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.